So anyone who's gone out and bought the Samsung CF591 27-inch curved monitor, you're probably a little frustrated at the fact that it didn't have any Vesa mounts. However, there is a workaround, and that's what we're here to talk about today. Luckily for us, one of the newest trends in the gaming community and computer world is having a nice clean desk surface. If you follow any of the YouTube channels, kind of like Random Frank P or Ed from TechSource, then you'll know that it has become quite popular today. So one of the biggest trends is getting those monitors off of your desk and having more space. So the more desk space, the better. And when I started researching how to get these monitors off of the desk, there were very few resources out there, but I did stumble on one. There's a specific company called Gladiator Joe that pretty much cornered the market on making their own Vesa mount for the Samsung monitor. At $31.99, what you could purchase it on Amazon right now, and if you could find a better option, then please drop a link down below. Very happy to be able to share that with all of my viewers, but it's a little expensive for just one bracket to be able to hang your monitors on a Vesa stand. But I was so adamant about using the monitors to their full capabilities and getting them off my desk that I went ahead and I did it. But to be honest with you, I was a little bit reluctant on purchasing these, but it was the only option out there at the time. So when I got them, I was pleasantly surprised to know that they were all reinforced with aluminum within the 3D molded surface area that actually inserts into the bottom of the stand. So once I took the stand off of the monitor and I inserted this adapter to be able to mount it, it fit perfectly. It clicked right in, and there is some fastening screws in it if it helps you, but it's not coming out, it's not going to break, it's not going anywhere, it's not going to slip off of your Vesa stand, no matter how you tilt your monitor arms. So I was very happy with it, and I can endorse that this is a good product, so thank you, Gladiator Joe. Well, if you enjoyed today's quick review on the Vesa mount capabilities of the Samsung CF591 27-inch curved monitor, then please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell for other technologies that I'm going to be sharing with you in the near future. Some of the things that I do like to share, if you're new here, are affordable ways to not only help you with your careers as a YouTuber, photographer, or a gamer, but I like to ensure that you are empowered with the knowledge of knowing that there are other options out there, and never close the door when someone says that you can't do something, because there's always a way to tweak it to make it work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.